Imagine liking a brand product or service and referring people over to it and getting paid for it. Well, that's what affiliate marketing is, but the problem is you might be thinking to yourself, Dale, I don't have a website, I don't have a following. You don't have to sweat it. Don't fret, I've got you covered because we're going to talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing without a website. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dale L. Roberts, a best-selling author as well as a self-publishing advocate who wants to show you how to publish books that sell. And if you want that too, subscribe to this channel and also join me on Twitch every Monday at 12 p.m. on twitch.tv/self-publish. If you subscribe for free with your Amazon Prime, you'll get a few freebies in the process. Stick around to the very end because I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan on how to get this going and where you can make money with affiliate marketing without a single website. Here's the problem. A lot of people believe that in order to make money online, they think they have to have a website. Yeah, having a website is definitely a benefit, but let's just say, for instance, you don't know how to code, you don't have the money to put up a website, maybe you feel a little overwhelmed with the technology. Well, good news, you don't have to have the website. The fact is, with most affiliate programs, they already have the websites and the landing pages put in place. So why would you slow them down with a website? So how do you make money with affiliate marketing without a website? Well, first of all, let's get you set up with getting into an affiliate program. And there's 5 steps you're going to do this to making money with affiliate marketing without that website. So number 1, identify products and services you like. It's just that simple. Pull out a notepad, write down all the things that you enjoy, and no matter how crazy or small it is, I want you to write it down. So for instance, I really enjoy Grammarly. And I said to my wife one day, I don't know what I should do for affiliate marketing. She recommended that I do that and became my most popular video here on YouTube. So all I had to do was I would go on to Google. You're going to do the same thing. Think about your product name plus the word affiliate program. So I typed in Grammarly affiliate program and it pulled this up. Now it's going to be important that before you sign up for any affiliate program, read their terms of service, read all the fine print, figure out how much you make by referring traffic over towards that direction. It's good to know the fine print because some of them will require you having a website. You're going to have to check from one affiliate program to the next. Most will go without. Then all you got to do is sign up for an account. Now they may need some tax information and they may need a bank account or a way to pay you, like PayPal is one of the ways I've seen most used. And now the next step is number 5 is promote it. It's that simple, but you might be going, oh, Dale, where do I promote this stuff? I mean, I don't have a website, so what do you expect me to do? Okay, again, refer to your terms of service when it comes to the affiliate program because some of these you can do that and other ones you can't. Number 1, social media. Oh yes, social media is probably one of the easiest ways to do it. Now you're probably thinking, should I just copy and paste the referral link on there and just send people there? That's probably not the best practice. You know, you're going through and spamming people with the link and expecting them to go there. They may not do that, but what you can do is lead with value. Maybe put out some type of a tweet or a Facebook post that gives people information that they can consume and then put in the link and then go for the call to action and say, hey, you can go and check out this product. I really enjoy it. It's over at XYZ and I appreciate this because this is an affiliate link. It's always good to disclose, by the way, that it is an affiliate link and that you do get financially compensated for it. Number 2, video. YouTube, hello. It is so simple to put up videos and you don't have to have anything super fancy. You don't have to have a video editor. You can even just get a phone and just put it up and shoot it and put it on there. I've known many people that have made thousands of dollars by just setting up their iPhone or their Android, putting it over top of a box that they ordered through Amazon of a product. They unbox it, they review it, they share it, and then they put a link inside the description that will take them on over to Amazon. They purchase the product and they get a certain percentage back to them. There's other platforms you can utilize for video, including Facebook Live, Periscope, even Amazon Live has an integration. Pretty cool, right? Number 3, an email list. Now you're probably scratching your head, oh gosh, how am I going to do an email list? What the heck is an email list? Well, an email list is a way that you actually can attract in people to sign up to a newsletter of sorts. And whatever your niche might be or the type of product could be the way that you entice them in. So let's just say, for instance, I can say, hey, would you like to learn a little bit more about English grammar and such? Then subscribe to my email newsletter. And people would subscribe to the email newsletter. And then at that point, I can probably start to tell them about the products and services. Don't beat up your email list with products and services all the time. It's always great to lead with value first. You can actually set up a free account through services like MailChimp, or even MailerLite is really good. I'm gonna actually put some links down inside the description down below that you can go ahead and set up your free accounts through there. And number 4, shocker, you're on a channel that's called Self-Publishing with Dale, and I'm gonna say self-published books. Yeah, you can put out books with products and services and brands that you enjoy and put your link in there. So that way, someone's in their ebook, they can click on that and it'll take them over to that specific product that you're starting to share with them. That is a really good way. And also you can put like a bit.ly link or a pretty link or something that will shorten it down that will send them over to whatever product or service. Again, there are some affiliate programs that don't like that. For instance, if you use Amazon Associates, that's an affiliate program for Amazon, they don't want you to put it into any of the books. But if you're kind of thinking to yourself, oh man, Dale, that seems like a lot of work. I can do social media, I can do videos, I might be able to build an email list, but I'm not sure about self-publishing books. But the good thing is I've got you covered. I've got an entire video series. It takes you from point A to point Z with a few steps in between. It makes it as simple as possible. It's called How to Self-Publish a Book video series. I'll see you in this very next video. What are you waiting for?